Good morning, guys! So today is our first official day here camping at Snow Peak Campfield, and we got in yesterday at like check-in time, which was like 3. So we walked around the campsite a bit, then went to the ofuro and sauna and had dinner here, more like lunch dinner. We made Korean barbecue, but it was actually like freezing outside, so it wasn't that enjoyable, and we were the only people cooking outside last night, so it felt like we were, the odd ones out. But we got the cabin. They have this campsite has a couple of options, like you can rent out a tent or a cabin, and we did the cabin, and I'm gonna give you like a quick tour, but it is a bit messy since we did already unpack and stuff from last night, but I tried to tidy up as much as I could. Okay, this is when you walk right in. There's a bathroom right here, but it's sort of like an all-in-one bathroom. So the toilet is here, and then the shower is right here. There's no sink in here, and when you need to shower, you just close this up so the toilet doesn't get all wet and stuff. And then you walk in more. This is the little living room area, which is very messy. We brought our own lanterns because there isn't much lighting in here besides like the natural light, so at night especially it's sort of very dark and dim. But then here is the little kitchen we have. This is the only sink in here, so we use this for cooking and for like brushing our teeth and washing our face and stuff, which is a bit inconvenient, but I guess that's like the point of this like mini cabin. And then there's a mini fridge here. We are planning to do mostly cook our own food, so we brought a bunch of stuff. And yeah, I just thought this was a really cute kitchen setup because it's very tiny and miniature, which is cute, but very like not a lot of space as well. And then we actually brought our puppy along with us, so we brought her little pop-up crate here, which has been very useful for her nap times. And then this is the bed. It's actually very comfy, and the pillows, me and my boyfriend are very particular with our pillows, but this pillow is pretty like hefty and sturdy and not like flimsy and filled with feathers like most hotels. But yeah, and then it comes with a heater and an AC, but we're obviously like blasting the heater. It's like 30 degrees out right now. This is our first official day here and our only like full day. We leave tomorrow morning, so we have a couple of things planned today. So this campfield is on Long Beach, Washington, which I didn't realize until we booked it, but it's called Long Beach because it is the longest beach in the world, I think, or maybe in Washington, but that's a pretty fun fact. And we're gonna go to the ofuro one more time today, and I believe they have like a mini like hiking trail here or near here by the campsite, so we're gonna do that and bring our little puppy. But yeah, it's been a bit of a struggle coming with our puppy. Like, we've flown with her to California and Ohio to meet with family, so she's been on planes and stuff, but this is the first time we've taken her somewhere, and it was a 2-hour car ride, so it was a bit rough, but we are excited for her to experience all of these new things today.